Welcome to the Piedmont Technical College Library tutorial on Primo. Primo is the name of the library catalog at PTC that allows students access to the local library resources. But Primo does more than just search for books. It is also a search tool for online sources and open access content. The coverage is deep and broad, reflecting journal articles, ebooks, videos, and more. The library catalog is part of Pascal Connects, a shared system supporting South Carolina academic library services, and Pascal Delivers is a delivery service that quickly provides materials for academic libraries around the state of South Carolina. We understand that having a research assignment or writing a paper can be a stressful experience. The library staff at PTC is here to ensure that you have the assistance and support needed to be successful. It is our hope that the tips and tools discussed in this tutorial will help to make the research process a more positive experience for you. The PTC Library consists of 7 libraries working as a unit to enhance your academic success. Please refer to the PTC Library website for locations and current hours. This tutorial will take approximately 10 minutes to complete and will have 10 quiz questions. The 5 lessons we are going to cover in this tutorial are 1. Where to find the Primo catalog on the PTC Library website and the purpose of Pascal. 2. Tips for finding good resources. 3. Finding relevant search results, narrowing and broadening your search results, and saving your query. 4. How to find different types of resources. 5. How to request books from other campuses through Pascal Delivers. Pascal is the acronym for Partners Among South Carolina Academic Libraries. Pascal serves to support higher education in South Carolina by providing electronic resources, ebooks, and a delivery service among 55 colleges and universities in South Carolina to foster greater collaboration within the academic library community. Pascal Delivers is the name of the print delivery service. For the sake of simplicity, we use the term Pascal to mean all the services provided by the program. What is Primo and where do you find it? Primo is the name of the library's online catalog and one of our most valuable resources. For clarification, we use the terms Primo, online catalog, and library catalog interchangeably. Primo is a powerful search tool which we use to find PTC books, but will simultaneously search for journal articles, ebooks, videos, and more. This feature is called OneSearch. Additionally, OneSearch allows you to manage your search, request books, renew items, and save your search results. So where do you find Primo? Primo is easiest to locate from the library webpage. The link is located in the sidebar and at the bottom of the page in the quick link titled Catalog Quick Search. Select either to begin your search. The library web page is also accessible from your Pathway or D2L homepage under Resources. Notice on the library web page that there are other important links available in the sidebar, like the databases, ebooks, Ask a Librarian, library guides, and streaming videos. After clicking on Online Catalog to begin a basic search, this is the basic search screen in Primo. If you are asked to sign in for off-campus access, please read and follow the login instructions carefully using your P number and 6-digit date of birth. This login is different from your Pathway D2L login. Please remember when accessing library resources off-campus to use the 6-digit date of birth as the password. For basic searching of library resources, just type 1 or more words. Remember to use keywords. Keywords are words that represent the main idea or concept of your topic. Primo searches each word individually. Do not use sentences like a Google search. Type your keywords into the Primo OneSearch box and then click the search button. Primo will begin a search for all the words you typed. To search for a specific phrase, type quotation marks around the phrase, for example, global warming. If you'd like to use Boolean operators such as and, or not, click on Advanced Search for an easier experience. Continuing with our basic search on global warming, while you are typing, choices will appear as a drop-down menu. The choices will be PTC Library Catalog, Pascal Delivers, Articles and e-resources, or Everything. Any of these can be selected, but we suggest you choose PTC Library Catalog for books and online resources for quickest results. Notice the quotation marks around the search global warming, because we want Primo to search the term as a phrase, not each individual word, because Primo would give different results for all resources that have the keyword global and all the resources that have warming as a keyword. This would give a very different search result. Tweak your search results by using filters. You can apply filters to your results to fine-tune your search. Two very useful filters are the availability filter and the library Pascal filter. Continuing with the basic search on global warming, see the brown circle? Notice that everything is selected for this search. Once you have your initial search results, you can refine your results by using facets along the right sidebar. Click each drop-down menu to read how that facet might be helpful. Let's begin at the Sort By filter. Look at the brown arrow. This tab will allow a sort by either relevance, date, newest to oldest, or oldest to newest, title, or by author. Below that filter is the availability filter. It's very useful. Your results can limit your search to full text online, peer-reviewed journals, open access, or items held by the PTC library. Look down at the library sort circled in green. This option narrows the results to a specific library within the PTC libraries, or pick other Pascal libraries circled in purple to get materials from other academic libraries within the state of South Carolina. These resources can be borrowed, but you must factor in the extra time for the items to be received. There are a variety of other filters that can be used to narrow your results, such as subject, author, location, resource type, publication date, journal article, and language. You can also use the advanced search option for more precise searching. Notice that the option to switch over to advanced search is at the end of the search box, noted by the yellow arrow. Click on the words advanced search to go to the advanced search options. Once you are in advanced search, there are many options to explore. For example, here is one advanced search for journals with the subject of global warming, where the drop-down menu subject has been selected and the material type journal has been selected. Other search field options could be the author or title, and the search could be limited by the date, language, or format. For best results, use two or more relevant search terms, and if using a phrase, use quotation marks around the phrases. Remember to select the green search icon represented by the magnifying glass to launch your search. Can I save my search results in Primo? Yes, you can. Your Primo search results can be saved by following these steps. Be sure that you are signed in each time you search to save your resources for future sessions. On this slide, the sign-in location is noted by the purple arrow. Find the pen icon next to the item that you'd like to keep, which is noted by the red arrow. Click it. The item will be added to your favorites list. To see your favorites list, click the pen icon in the top right-hand corner of the page, which is noted by the green arrow. You'll notice that you can organize your list or remove items that you no longer need. Click the pen icon again to remove them. The QR code, the blue arrow, can be used to save your results with your phone or by copying the link. The PTC library has a variety of resources to support the faculty and students. Each library has a unique selection of books for research and for pleasure reading. Electronic books are available within our catalog and on Pascal, as well as current and past issues of magazines in the library and journals available through online databases. Additionally, on the library website, there are databases covering all programs of study offered at PTC. Pascal offers full-text books, journals, and databases such as eBook Central that provides in-depth access to full-text books in each subject area at PTC. Other databases include Opposing Viewpoints and Points of View Reference Center that has choices of topics and gives samples and templates for academic writing needs. Other databases cover resources in medical and legal research and interactive online learning platforms that provide practice tests, licensing exam preparation, GED exam preparation, and basic skills. Another notable database is Films on Demand that offers instant access to academic films and media. Pascal Delivers is a service where you can request library books from other colleges and universities within South Carolina. Requests will be delivered to the PTC library. This only applies to circulating books. No AV materials or reference books are available through Pascal Delivers. How do you place a request? Step 1. First, sign in to Primo. See the red arrow and choose Pascal Delivers in the drop-down search box. See the red circle. Step 2, search for the item you want. Once you have found a book that interests you, click on the item to select it. Step 3, if the item is not available at PTC, click the Request via Pascal Delivers tab. See the green arrow. And last, step 4, select the location for pickup. The pickup institution will default to the location that you are requesting from. It can be changed to other institutions. Local pickup location will default to PTC Greenwood Library. Then select Request. That's it. Now wait to receive an email that the book has arrived at your college library. Pascal books are usually delivered within 3 to 4 business days. In summary, the 5 lessons covered in this tutorial were: 1. Where to find Primo catalog on the PTC Library website. 2. Tips on finding good resources. 3. Relevant results, narrowing and broadening your results and saving your query. 4. Different types of resources available to you. And 5. How to request books from other campuses and even other academic colleges through Pascal Delivers. The library staff at Piedmont Technical College is committed to promoting assistance and support needed for you to be successful. It is our hope that the tips and tools discussed in this tutorial will help you to make the research process a more positive experience for you.